What is going on YouTube? It's Todd Lucas here, and I'm trying to make my camera like centered. Here you go. Today I'm gonna show you a noise that I can do, because like at Walmart, I found the world's smallest Rubik's Cube. It might look big in the camera, but look, like that's what 2 fingers. Oops, I dropped it. Anyway, look, world's smallest Rubik's Cube. And if I put it in my mouth, up to this cheek, I can go. I used to be able to do it. I used to be able to make it sound like a lawnmower, and it sounded cool. Watch. I can't do it anymore. Once I start recording a video, I won't let me do it. That sounded like a bike. I can't do it anymore, but anyway, see, I gotta like hold it, my camera like this, because for some reason it doesn't want to work, and I don't have a camera. I'm actually recording on my tablet, so like this. Anyway, I'm gonna go show you something. No. I'm gonna go show you something, guys. Lighting works. Lighting. Okay, this is what we got from my mom's friend. And look, it's like, I don't know if you can see that, but look, it's like beds, like all this cool stuff. And I think it's cool. But I was gonna show you the Rubik's Cube thing, but that didn't want to work. So now I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do a vlog later today, probably at the park with my stepsister's cousin, I guess. I think, yeah. But it's gonna be a parkour tag video, so be prepared for that. Oh yeah, there's this annoying kid in Justice City Middle School, because I live in Justice City, and his name is Mario, and he sits right by me in class, and I just want to punch him in the face. So Mario, if you're watching this, Mario, boom, it's